Good morning. Is it possible to have breakfast here even if I am a bit late?
Good morning. Of course, we serve breakfast until 11 o'clock.
That is great news because I really need some energy today.
Please follow me to this table near the window.
Thank you. I love watching the city wake up while I eat.
It is the best view in our hotel. Here's the menu for you.
Everything looks so delicious in these pictures.
Our chef is famous for his traditional and modern breakfast dishes.
Does the hotel room price include the full breakfast?
Yes, as a guest of our hotel, the breakfast is completely free for you.
That is a wonderful surprise. I didn't know that.
You can order as many dishes as you like from this list.
I should be careful not to eat too much before my walk.
Can I start by bringing you some fresh juice or water?
I would like a glass of fresh orange juice, please.
Would you like ice in your juice or just a cold glass?
Just a cold glass is perfect. I don't like it too icy.
I will bring that for you immediately. I will be back in a minute.
Take your time. I'm still deciding on my main course.
Here is your orange juice, fresh and cold.
Thank you, Henry. It looks very bright and refreshing.
Are you ready to order your hot breakfast now?
I am thinking about the eggs. What are my options?
We can make them fried, boiled, scrambled, or as an omelet.
I would like 2 fried eggs, please.
Do you want them sunny side up or cooked on both sides?
I prefer sunny side up. I like the yellow part to be soft.
Understood. 2 fried eggs, sunny side up.
Can I have some bacon and mushrooms on the side too?
Certainly. I will add some crispy bacon and grilled mushrooms to your plate.
Would you like some bread or toast with your eggs?
Yes, please. I would like 2 slices of whole wheat toast.
We have white bread, rye bread, and sourdough as well.
I will stay with the whole wheat. It is my favorite.
Do you want some butter and jam on the table?
Yes, some strawberry jam would be lovely.
I will bring a small tray with different types of jam for you.
You have such a big selection of food here.
We want to make every guest feel special and happy.
Now, about the coffee. Do you have a good espresso machine?
Yes, we can make any kind of coffee you like.
I would like a large cappuccino with a lot of foam.
Do you take sugar or any sweetener in your coffee?
No sugar for me. I like the natural taste of the coffee bean.
I will bring your cappuccino together with your eggs.
That sounds like a perfect plan. I am quite hungry now.
Our kitchen is very fast. Your food will be ready in 5 minutes.
Oh, I see pancakes here too.
Yes, we make very light and fluffy pancakes with maple syrup.
Maybe I can have 1 small pancake after my eggs?
Of course, I can bring one as a dessert later.
Thank you. 1 pancake with some blueberries, please.
Blueberries are a very healthy choice for a morning meal.
I try to eat fruit every day to stay healthy.
I will bring your hot coffee now while you wait for the food.
Oh, the foam is so thick and beautiful.
I put a little bit of cinnamon on top for a nice aroma.
It smells fantastic. I can smell the cinnamon from here.
Enjoy your coffee, Emma. I will check on your eggs.
Thank you. I will enjoy the view and my cappuccino.
Here are your eggs, bacon, and grilled mushrooms.
Everything looks perfect. The eggs are exactly how I like them.
And here is your warm whole wheat toast in this basket.
Thank you. It is a lot of food, but it looks so good.
Is there anything else you need right now?
Can I have some salt and black pepper, please?
The salt and pepper are in these silver shakers.
Oh, I didn't see them because they are so shiny.
They are polished every morning to look like new.
The bacon is very crispy. It is exactly how I like it.
Our chef cooks it slowly to make it extra crunchy.
Tell the chef that he did a great job today.
I will pass your compliments to the kitchen immediately.
Does the hotel have a special breakfast every Sunday?
Yes, on Sundays we have a big buffet with music.
That sounds like a lot of fun. I will be here on Sunday.
We have a piano player who plays soft jazz in the morning.
I love jazz. It is the best music for a relaxing breakfast.
Is your coffee still hot, or should I bring you another one?
It is still warm enough. I am drinking it slowly.
I will leave you to enjoy your meal for a few minutes.
The mushrooms are very juicy and tasty.
They are local mushrooms from the forest near the city.
I can taste the freshness. It makes a big difference.
We try to use local products as much as possible.
It is a very good philosophy for a hotel restaurant.
I will bring your pancake in about 10 minutes.
Perfect. I need a small break after these eggs.
I'm just over there if you need anything else.
Thank you, Henry. You are a very attentive waiter.
Are you ready for your blueberry pancake now?
Yes, I have a little bit of space left for something sweet.
Here is your pancake with maple syrup and berries.
It is shaped like a heart. That is so adorable.
Our chef likes to make people smile in the morning.
It worked. I am smiling and very happy now.
Would you like some whipped cream on the side?
No, thank you. The syrup and berries are enough for me.
I will bring you a fresh glass of water, too.
That is very thoughtful of you. I am quite thirsty now.
Here is your sparkling water with a slice of lemon.
Sparkling water is very refreshing after a big meal.
Do you have many plans for your day in the city?
I'm going to the museum and then to the old park.
The park is very beautiful this time of year.
Are there many people there on a weekday morning?
No, it is usually very quiet until the afternoon.
That is perfect for taking some photos and reading.
I can give you a small map of the park if you want.
That would be very useful. I sometimes get lost.
I will go and find a map for you at the reception.
Thank you. You are going above and beyond for me.
It is my job to make sure our guests have a great day.
The pancake is delicious. It is so soft and light.
I'm glad you liked it. It is our most popular dessert.
I can understand why. I want to know the recipe.
The chef keeps it as a big secret.
Well, it is a very good secret then.
I'm going to get that map for you now.
I will finish my water and wait for you.
Here is the map of the park in the city center.
Thank you, Henry. This map is much better than the one on my phone.
It shows all the hidden paths and the best benches for resting.
I will use it all day today. I am very grateful.
Are you finished with your breakfast now?
Yes, I am completely full. Everything was wonderful.
Should I bring you the bill, or should I add it to your room?
Please add it to my room number, which is 402. Yes, room 402.
Just a second, let me check the system. Yes, everything is correct. The breakfast is free.
So I don't need to sign anything today?
You just need to sign this small receipt for the records.
There you go. It was a very pleasant morning.
I hope the rest of your day is just as good as your breakfast.
I am sure it will be. The sun is very warm today.
Don't forget to take your sunglasses and a hat.
I have them in my bag already. I am prepared.
Is the temperature in the restaurant comfortable for you?
Yes, it is very nice. Not too hot and not too cold.
We try to keep it perfect for our guests.
I will tell my friends about this hotel and your service.
Thank you, Emma. That is the best compliment for us.
Will you be working here tomorrow morning too?
Yes, I will be here from 7 a.m. until 2 p.m.
Then I will see you tomorrow for another coffee.
I will prepare a fresh cappuccino for you at the same time.
Have a great day, Henry.
Have a wonderful day too, Emma. Enjoy the museum.
Goodbye. See you tomorrow morning. The lobby is very busy now.
Many people are checking out and leaving for the airport.
I am glad I am staying for another 3 days.
We are happy to have you as our guest, Emma.
Oh, I forgot my map on the table.
Here it is. I have it.
Thank you. I am a bit distracted this morning.
It happens when you're on vacation. Your mind is relaxed.
Now I am really ready to go.
Be careful crossing the street. It is very busy now.
I will use the pedestrian crossing near the park.
That is the safest way. Enjoy your time.